Okay, so this is going to be a real short video. We're just going to learn the fastest way to convert lines into polylines, and then I'm going to show you how to load in a custom Lisp, L-I-S-P, and show you a second way that you can do it that I like better. So most videos show you this. You type J for join, and then you grab whatever lines that you want to grab, just like that. You hit enter, you got a polyline. So 10 seconds. Quickest lesson ever. But I like to do it just a little bit different. So now I've got it back to that. So I like to use this custom command that I built in Claude. And it's a mouthful for sure. But to load it in, you go app load, and that brings up your Lisps. And then wherever you have them saved, I've created this one here, which is the LN2 PLC, which is line to polyline copy. That's what it means. All right, so we load that. All right, we got that in there, and then we do that command. So all you got to do is just LN2, and then once again, select all the lines, just like we did before. Make sure they're all selected. We hit enter, and now it's created a polyline, but in addition to that, it hasn't affected the existing lines. The existing lines are still there. And this polyline, if you look, is on a new no plot layer. So you come down here to the layers, no plot, and the plotter's turned off right there. So I like to use that so that I can do that in all of my rooms, and then quickly I can just figure the square footage of all my rooms. Now in the next episode, I'm going to show you another Lisp where we can actually place the square footage fields in each of these. And so to do that, it's essential that we have this polyline around each room like I'm showing you here. So I'll show you that in the next episode, but I'm trying to keep this one short as possible.